Good afternoon to all of you. In the last session, I have started with routing algorithms. In that, we have discussed on a link state routing algorithm. Right, few steps I have covered. So let's just revise the point and we'll start solving the problem using link state routing algorithm. So just give me a second and make sure you note down these steps so you are able to solve it by yourself. I will assign a problem to solve. First, we have discussed about the graph, then types of graph, few algorithm steps. So what we have discussed previously that from the given graph, identify the set of node n, capital N, and set of edges. That is the first step. Second, start from the source node. If it is not given, you can take any node. Then we have discussed how to prepare the table. Columns I have discussed. Okay, let me go to that point. For this graph, we have started discussing. Like we have taken a U node as a source node and Z as a destination node. So first condition according to this algorithm, right? That find the source node, then we have to find the adjacent of that node. If you are able to find the adjacent, then the cost will be the distance between that two node. And if node is not directly connected with that node, then you have to put simply infinity. Okay. Now this step, let's already have note down this, right? So now we will apply this step on a given example. So first over here, okay, let's start with the U node. So this column, this table you have prepared, we have to start solving the example. But still, till now at any point, if you are having any doubt, you can ask first. Then and then we can go with the next step. Any student is having any query, say yes or no. Okay, fine, let's continue. Okay, so see, U is a start node, so remaining all the nodes will become the colon, and D of that is distance and P that is predistance are nodes. Now we will start step 0, source node is U. So from the diagram we can observe U is connected with the X, then W and then V. Then distance, so U to X distance is 5. So you have to write like 5 comma U in a X column. Another one, U to V distance is 7. So you have to write like 7 comma U. Source node you have to write. So 7 comma U. And W, just a second, yes. U to W, U to W distance is 3. So you have to write 3 comma U. We can observe that Y and Z is not directly connected with the U. So you have to put infinity according to algorithm step, right? Okay. So now simply do not fill whole table. We will go step by step. Right now just note down the value of step number 0. I will discuss how this value come, and we know that this algorithm is related to shortest path. So among that minimum value we will select. So just note down that
Ma'am, can you came back to the diagram, please?
Diagram.
Yes, please.
Yeah, okay. Just take your time and draw it first. Then and then you are able to solve this.
Done, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Now first complete step number 0. Okay. Now see if you compare the values, so 7, 3 and 5 and infinity. So minimum is 3. So that is the reason you have to select next node. See first two things you have to remember. First compare the value, the minimum one, put the circle and check that column. In that column the node is there, that will become the next node. So 3 comma u, that is in the column of d of w, p of w. So that is the reason next current node will become a w. Now u will become a source node. And yesterday in the last session we have discussed that while you are calculating d of v, distance of current node, but that you have to calculate from the source node only. And predecessor node means like a W is current node and U is a previous node. So adjacent of U will become a predecessor node for a W. Now you have to check both the things and select the minimum one. Okay, so now again go to graph first and we have to start from W. So see U is already visited, so we don't need to enter about that. Then next over here, just a second. Okay, what you have to do is you have to check all the possibilities, like start from U and reach to W. Okay, so first one is in that table V, node V. So check the possibilities. Either you can directly go U to V, that is 7, but now your W is current node, so you are having another possibility, like you can go from U to W and W to V. So 3 plus 3, the total is 6. So which one is minimum? 6, right? We have seen over here this equation. D of V equals to minimum of D of V comma D of W plus cost of W to V. So now you can interpret this equation. Two possibilities are there. First one is we have to take the minimum. In the bracket D of V means 7 comma U, and another one that is d of w, right? So that is 3 plus 3, 6. So minimum one is 6, right? So that is the reason over here in the table you have to update. Instead of 7u, now to reach to v node, value is updated 6 comma w. Next one, to reach to x. Two possibilities are there, either u to x, that is 5. See, you can check for the source node because that is a predecessor, as I told, for the current node. So u to x, that is 5. And now check another possibility, that is u to w, that is 3, and w to x 4. 3 plus 4 7. But we have to select the minimum one according to this equation. So for that we will select minimum, that is 5 comma u. So keep that entry as it is, 5 comma u. Now for the y node, next one is y. So okay, for to reach to y we are having a many path, but we have to select the one in which w need to be there, or a predecessor of a w, and the distance need to be minimum 1. So if we go from u to x and x to y, so 7 plus 5 12. Okay, then if you go like u to x 3, then w to y 8, 8 plus 3 11. You are having another path, that is u to v and v to y, but over there that is not pass through w. So we will select this directly path which pass from w. So that is the reason over there it is written 11 comma w. So, and we can observe that z is not directly connected with w, so you have to put infinity over there. So complete step number 1.
Ma'am, if we cannot reach to Z, is correct or not?
Just a second. Yeah, now ask.
If we cannot reach to Z, is correct or not?
If there is no link, directly link between that two node, then you have to write infinity.
This is correct or not?
Yeah,
Infinity.
answer is in the table. This is correct. Like z, our current node is w. Okay. And
Okay.
z is not directly connected with w. There is a path, but not a direct link. So at that time you have to put infinity.
Clear. Thank you, ma'am.
So right now see, just complete for step number 1 only, right? And the minimum one, that is for the 5 comma u. So your next node will become a x, right? Because we have to check in the column. So 5 comma u is present in a x column. So your next node is x. After that, in a step number 2, what you have to do? You have to start for v. Now x to v. So if you will check, u to v, that is 7. U to W to V, that is 6. And if you go like X to W, then W to V, so that is 4 plus 3, 7. If you go like X to U, that is 5. 5 to U to V, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. So minimum over here is only 6 comma W. So that entry you not need to update. You have to check all the entries, but have to select minimum one. So write down in a D of V, step number 2, that is 6 comma W. W node is already visited, so no need to check for that. X currently we are accessing, so that over there also you don't need to put anything. Now for the Y value, like X to Y. So again, if you check the possibilities like U to X, that is 5, then X to Y 7, 7 plus 5 12. Okay. U to W 3, W to X 4, then Y 7. 7 plus 7 14. Okay. U to V 7, then V to Y, that is 4. 7 plus 4 11. Also you are having like U to W 3 plus 8 11. So minimum over here you are getting 11. But as we are exploring, so you have to write 11 comma W and try to find now your current node is X and try to find the value for Z. Okay, so see over here we will select the path like U to X, that is 5, then X to Z, that is 9. So total will be 14 and current node is X. So you have to write 14 comma X. Just complete this entries. Step number 2 and minimum one is 6. Right, so next node will become a V. We are not in a hurry. We will go step by step. You just complete step number 2 entries in the table.
Ma'am, I complete all the table.
Just
All
a
the step.
second. Just a second. Okay, now ask.
I complete all the table, ma'am. All the
Okay,
step.
okay. Yeah, very good. But I have to cover it from my side, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So minimum one is, as I told, 6 comma W. So select the V node. Now again come to the graph. Okay. If you go with the column, right, those node who are already in an end desk, you not need to check for that. So V is visited, W is visited, X is visited. Now we have to explore only Y and Z, right? So for the V node, V is a current node and we have to reach to Y. Okay. So first possibility is like U to W3, then W to V, that is 3, and then V to Y, that is 4. So 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10. Remaining I think maximum because we have checked before. Okay, so you have to update it Make it 10 and current node is V. So 10 comma V. And to reach to Z, we have already discussed that that is a 14. So 14 comma X. Now again select the minimum one. So that is 10 comma Y. So our next node will become a Y. Okay. Now we will explore Y. And we have to reach to Z. So if you check the possibility, the minimum like let me calculate. Okay, yes. See U to W that is 3, W to V that is 3, 3 plus 3 6, then V to Y that is 4, so 10, then Y to Z that is 2, so 12. That is the minimum one because Y is current node, so you must have to pass through Y and reach to Z. So that is the minimum one. So update the same in your table 12 comma Y. It is Z node 12 comma Y. And now that is in the Z column. So add it in the end dash. And if you check the set of end dash, so all the nodes from given graph are visited. That means you have find the shortest path. So complete this table if it is remain at your end, and this is how you have to solve this example. Also you have to remember that algorithm for this functionality.
Ma'am,
Yes,
please see the chat box, please.
just a second. Yeah, okay, now ask.
Just to check the chat box, please.
Second row. Just a second. Okay, second row. Okay. See, your current node is X. Two, three things you have to keep in mind, then easily you can solve this. I will re-explain it, no issue. Okay, if you go to the graph, okay, your current node is X, and previously you have visited W and U. So what you have to keep in mind, three possibilities you have to check. First for the current node, then you also have to check for the predecessor node also. And then out of that you have to select the minimum one. Now X, W and U. Okay. X is current node, W and U is already visited, and we have to go to V node. Okay. To reach to V node, many possibilities are there. Like if you check, see, X to U, you have to check all the path, whatever the links are there. I am able to find many links. I will discuss one by one. Like start because just a second. X is current node and you have to reach to V. So first we will explore X node. You can go like X to U5, U to V7, 7 plus 5, 12. That is one possibility. Second one, you can go like X to W, that is 4, W to V, that is 3. So 4 plus 3, 7. So you can go like, okay, Y is not visited till, so we cannot go with that. So that is one possibility for X node. Now you have to check the previous, that is predecessor node also. So if over there you not need to recalculate it. You just check your above step value. So that is 6 comma W. And for the current node, what you are getting 7 and 7 V is no 12 and 7. So which one is minimum? 12, 7 or 6? You are having a two possibilities. Either you just find the distance for current node, also you are having a predecessor node also, and compare it and then find the minimum. That is based on this equation. D of V equal to minimum. Minimum of what? Current node value distance or distance of previously explored node. And among them all the possibilities, you have to select the minimum. So that is the reason at that step it is selected 6 comma W, like that. Okay, so now it's clear to everyone, right? Okay, so what you have to do, just go with this graph, draw it compulsory, try to solve it by yourself. After some times, I will solve this with you all, right? If you solve one or more example, it will be very clearer to all the students. That graph is different one. So first just draw this. We will discuss step by step how to solve this. Once you're ready with this graph, just give me a notification in a chat. So I will start explaining. Okay. Now see, pause, prepare the n set. That means a given node. So in this example, it is u, v, w, x, y, z. Then prepare the set of edges, or you can say that link. Capital E equals to uv, ux. In that way, list out all the links.
Man, please check the chat box.
We will do it right one by one. Next step, see, I'm guiding one by one, step by step, so everyone can solve this. Next step, you have to prepare that
Excuse me,
table.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, I have checked your values. I will do it also, right? We will go one by one for every student.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now the next step you have to prepare the table. So step end desk, then our source node is over here U and destination node is Z. So in a end desk, first write step 0, end desk value U, and you have to fill the value for the remaining node like this. Do not check the entries first, prepare the first column for the table. Okay. Now, as I told, U node is current node. So check for all the remaining node. U2V distance is 2, U2X distance is 1, then U2W distance is 3. Remaining node are not directly connected, so put infinity over here. Write down step number 0 only for given graph. And the minimum one, that is 1 comma U. So your next node is a X. So add a X in a end dash for step number 1. Again we will check over here, right? Your next node is X. So X2V, that is 2, then X2W, that is 3 plus 1, 4, and X2Y, that is 2. Because you have to calculate the distance from U node. And Z is not directly connected, so put infinity over here. I will cover, right now I am on a step number 1. D of Y, that is C, that is 2 comma X. See, if node is not directly connected, if you observe over here, first U is directly connected with Y and Z. There is no direct link between that two. So according to algorithm step, you have to put infinity. That is the reason in a first step D of Y and D of Z is infinity. Yes. Same way for the second step, your current node is X. If you check in the graph, X is not directly connected with Z. So that is the reason over here in a step number 1, that is also infinity. Okay, so first complete step number 1, entries. Now see, over here you are having a, as we are doing like a minimum value we are selecting. But in this case you are having a two value same. So at that time you have to select the entry which is current node. At that time you have not have to consider predecessor node. So your current node is X, so that is the reason Y will become your next node. Note down this point while you are solving your example using link state, and at the same step you are having a more than one entry with the same weightage, like 2 of X and 2 of U. So which one you will select? Weight is same. What we are doing, we are selecting the minimum one. But if both are equal, at that time you have to select the current node value. Current node is X, so 2 comma X, and that is in the Y column. So your Y will become a next node. So note down that point and try to find for the Y node next. Okay, let me complete this one. Okay, so we are on our current node is Y. Let's check the value for the Y. Okay, so first node is V. So start from Y to V. Okay, so minimum one is U to V, that is 2. Remaining all will take the maximum value, so that keep it as it is, 2 comma U. Next one, that is W. So to reach to W from the Y, and you have to start from source node. So U to X, X to Y, and Y to W. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. So write down 3 comma Y. Then X is already visited. Y currently we are exploring, and Z. To reach to Z, start from U. So U to X, X to Y, Y to Z. 1 plus 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So write down 4 comma Y. like this. In that, minimum one is 2 comma u. So next your node will become a v. Then again, if you will explore it, the minimum we will get two values first over here, 3 comma y and 4 comma y. So minimum one is 3 comma y. So your next node will become a w. So add that in a n desk. And for a w, only one node is remain, that is z. And value we are having 4 comma y. So add that z node in our n desk. And as we can see, all the nodes are visited over here. So this is our final answer. You can represent it in the form of tree. You have to keep all the nodes as it is as given. Then based on the sequence, you have to assign the link between that node. So this is a tree. Over here again a node are there, edges are there, but there is no loop. So that is the exact difference between tree and graph. So when you find the shortest path, that is a tree. That you have to remember. Okay. Now, see, go with this example. You just note down this and try to do it by yourself. From my side, I have given solution for two problems. As much as you do a practice, you are able to understand this functionality. Okay, attendance meanwhile start in a sequence 91714
Present, ma'am.
80
Present, ma'am.
9192 3,
Present, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5, 6, 8, 9,
Yes, ma'am.
11,
8 present, ma'am.
11
Okay.
present, ma'am.
13, 14,
Yes, ma'am.
15,
Yes, ma'am.
16, 29,
29 present, ma'am.
32, 9 2 series 19,
Yes, ma'am.
Hardik,
Yes, ma'am.
2, 3,
Present, ma'am. I'm Sanjay, present.
yes, 4, 5,
Present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am. Ma'am,
8,
4. Present.
Present, ma'am.
okay, 9,
Present, ma'am.
10, 11. 9 2 series 1, Syam. Remaining TD2 students start writing your enrollment number in a chat.
Ma'am, Sham present 01.
I have marked you present.
Have you marked me present, ma'am?
Sure.
Ma'am, 002.
Yes, just write down your enrollment if you are having a query. I will verify the same from the chat. And thank you all of you. Have a nice day. Be safe at your home only. You can leave now.